COMASACH black metal bed frame. Strong support, stable, restful sleep. COMASACH's design standard is to make a bed frame that allows customers to sleep at ease. The bed frame is made of strong steel, which can support the weight of 2 to 4 people. It has non-slip foot pads to ensure that there is no squeak when you sleep. The product package comes with instructions. Easy assembly. Many customers can complete the assembly alone. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Our function and advantage. Choose a suitable bed frame that can provide a night of good sleep. Enjoy your time on our bed frame. COMASACH products with a strong frame and sturdy steel slat structure. Silent design, noise-free, stable, and durable. Number 2. Product feature. Twin size inches length 74.5 inches by width 37.5 inches by height 14 inches. For mattress size length 75 inches by width 38 inches. Twin size bed frame package measures 40.2 by 65 by 67 inches. Weighs 30 pounds max weight capacity. Our bed frame with steel slat support and steel tube is thicker than other products. Support up to 35 pounds. Number 3. Easy assembly. Can be set up in 20 minutes with all the provide tools. 14 inches tall metal bed frame with quality material, which has a long life cycle and is easy to clean. Number 4. Under bed storage saves space and storage. There is enough space under the bed to store debris, which is convenient for cleaning and makes the room cleaner and tidier. Number 5. The style for choice. Black simple bed frame mattress foundation, easy to choose the room style that can be matched. Number 6. Headboard and footboard compatible. The bed with frame has 3 reserve holes carefully designed on the legs of the bed so that you can freely choose to install the headboard and footboard. Compared with the 2-hole design of other businesses, the 3-hole design ensures the headboard or footboard installation is more firm, with no squeaking sound. Number 7. Reinforced structure. The corner of the bed frame is designed to strengthen and stabilize the structure. You need to use the tools provided by us to tighten the screws to get a stable and max weight capacity bed frame. Number 8. Upgraded slats. The iron bars are thicker and can bear heavier weight, which not only prolongs the life of the bed frame but also makes it easy for you to choose a mattress without any worries. Number 9. U-groove design. The close-fitting U-shaped design brings you a stable bed frame. Easy installation design, allowing you to complete the assembly separately, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.